want to talk to you today about a little lifestyle. I'm going to be showing you costs. I'm going to be talking to you about the journey, but there's definitely lessons learned. So let's get into it. I love the BOUCLÉ chairs and I wanted one for myself. I don't know why, but I just did. I wanted an island section of my house to be all cream. I have a grey section, I have a yellow section, and I wanted this cream section in my house. I might do a house tour for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing that. Basically, I thought to myself, since they're so expensive, ridiculously expensive to get, let me try and do a DIY project myself, buy material, buy a second-hand chair and try to make it myself. I embarked on the journey. I went on Facebook Marketplace. I got this green leather chair with a footstool advertised at £49, literally just down the road from my house. Got there, bargained it down to £40, so I saved myself £9. Put it in the car, came home, ordered some materials. So first I made sure I could actually buy the BOUCLÉ material, and I did. It came. I managed to find it on sale. I managed to find the last bit of it. So I'd actually paid for 4 meters, and then they emailed me to say we only have 3.9 meters left. That totaled me somewhere around 45 something pounds. I'll be putting exact totals on the screen because I think that's the essence of this. I feel like that's where I've made the major savings by doing it myself. Although I cannot claim this project to be entirely mine, you'll know why shortly. But I do think I still made a saving, because if you look at chairs, BOUCLÉ chairs are so expensive. The one that I wanted, going at around £900, I was interested in having recliner. It had to be a swivel, to have a swivel base as well. So all of that combined was making it all very much expensive. I finally got the materials to do the DIY, a staple gun, some thread and some needles. I scrubbed clean the leather because my plan was to cover the chair with the new material. I didn't want to go around fussing trying to remove the leather because I don't know, I thought that by leaving the leather on it would be more cushy and puffy. Where I realized I couldn't figure out how to get the material to cover the arm section, and I was so excited. I was vlogging this entire process, wanting to show you guys the finished product. Couldn't cover the arms and I gave up. Went on Google, looked for an upholsterer and contacted a couple. Landed on the guy I finally ended up using, who was really nice, Stefan. He was a French guy. He was about 40 minutes away from my house. I had to take the chair to him, so we had to bargain the price a little bit. So he gave me a little tip, which I'm sharing with you because it might help you. He was charging me by the hour. For the cost to go down, he said, obviously he refused to do the chair with the green leather still on it. He said to cut the hours down, remove the leather and bring me the chair with just the stuffing, and then I would basically just put the new material on to reduce the amount of hours spent on the chair. And that's what I did. So I ended up removing the leather, removing the hand stitches I had done. Thank God I didn't butcher the material. I had cut the material, but I didn't butcher it, so he was still able to piece it together to what you see now. I removed the green leather. I left the footstool. The footstool was the first thing I had done. I was pretty proud of it. That's my claim to fame. I'm keeping it as it is. It still has the green leather. It's not visible, but it was done really, really well. My claim to fame, what I can say, I did this. So I gave him the chair. It took him about 2 weeks and a couple of days to finish, and this is the final result. For this, he charged me £230, which I think is pretty okay. So coupled with I would say about £140 I spent fuffing around the material, thread, the needle. The chair itself was around £140, and then with the £230, that's coming to around 400 and something pounds. I think I'm pretty happy. This island does have aerial rug, which I got from Dunelm for £75, and it's pretty nice. It's really luxurious. It's really nice to step in. I'll show you, I'll do a B-roll at the end to just kind of show you the whole environment, the whole vibe. Overall, I'm very happy. I'm really excited about this whole new section in my house. I think it's turned out very, very well. For those wanting to do DIY, think through the process from the beginning to the end. If you can get a professional to do it, I would say just do it. What I can definitely promote is buying secondhand to upcycle or to, you know, improve it or to put your own material. I can see myself passing down this chair, maybe sanding down the wood to put a different color. I really love the way it looks right now, but I'm just saying that buying secondhand, once again, is always something I will support, and then maybe upgrade it, put your own touch to it. Overall, I'm happy. It's just that it was definitely a process. I started vlogging it wanting to show you guys, hey, here's my DIY project I'm doing and this is what I managed to do. And obviously it didn't turn out the way I had it imagined. Here we are, we still have a beautiful chair. I did get some help, but majorly I still made a major saving, and I think that's still a lesson learned, so I wanted to show you guys and share with you. Let me know your thoughts. This just happened. It fell as I took this off.